Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the image size on Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and also the option to install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on new project. Once you click on new project, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. Here, you're going to find the option to choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color right here. Here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you can choose the size for your image. So right now I'm going to choose this size for example and click on create. Once you create your project, you're going to be right here in this page. Here you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now I'm going to add the image. In order to add an image, just go to file, click on open, and then you can choose any image from your computer. I'm going to choose this one for example. So right now, if you want to change the size of the image, go ahead and select the image firstly. Once you select the image, just go here and in the left side, you're going to find crop tool, or you can click on C on your keyboard. Once you click on the crop tool, right here, as you can see guys, you can choose the size that you want for your image. And once you finish, just go ahead and click on confirm and the image will be cropped. If you want to save it, just click on file and then click on save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.